Jacklyn Dougherty and Dr. Joni Dougherty.
How to do ballet arabesque chugs with Jacklyn Dougherty. Alright, so arabesque, you would do your nice lovely arabesque. You would do a tendu, keep your shoulders back, keep your hips square, and lift up to your arabesque, okay? Your knee is straight and you have a nice wing of your foot, okay? Now the chug portion. The chug portion, you can either go avante, deco, or and aries, okay? We're gonna just travel them backwards. The chugs, you just go plie, chug, chug, chug. That's all you're doing. You can do the same thing going forward. Chug, 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 okay? Now let's take our arabesque and the chugs and put them together. So I'm gonna do a nice tendu. I'm gonna do a nice arabesque. I'm gonna plie and go chug, 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 and then I'm gonna close it up. That is how you do the arabesque chugs. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Jacklyn.